Morning guys, and welcome back to the channel. A bit more content for you today. We're off to sunny Essex to pick a car up. So as the story goes, I've been offered a Mondeo Mark 4 facelift at a reasonable price. So it turns out girlfriend's going to be having it, so we're off to collect it, and we're going to take you with us. A massive thank you to a friend of mine, Cole, at startrucktrailers.co.uk for lending me his truck, seeing as mine's out of action. Thank you, mate. Check out the link below in the description.
Alone and loud, that's how I feel. I dream all night and day. Could you give us a chance if you mind? And I deserve it, please, one last time. Could you give us a chance, we'll be so fine. I hope one day, somehow, I always will meet again. Cause I've been wondering why we still play as we were friends. I hope somehow I always will meet again. It's time to care. We should just share love one day. Mine, mine, mine. Not you're mine, mine, mine. Not you're mine, mine, you're mine, mine. Not you're mine, mine, mine. Alone and bored, that's how you feel. You wait.
Yeah, that's it there. I'd just like to say a shout out and a massive thank you to my friend Carl for lending me the truck. We're struggling for a tow vehicle today as the van's out and the Land Rover's broken. So if you could check out his website and give him a like on Facebook, startrucktrailers.co.uk. If you fancy renting a box trailer, I believe he also has a car trailer that you can rent out. Go check him out, guys. So guys, that's the Mondeo picked up. It's a bit of a project. We'll keep you posted on it. We'll get a playlist on the channel. It's for my girlfriend. She likes my Mondeo and all the Mondeos that we've got around us and stuff, and she just fancied one. So we've picked her a bit of a project up anyway. So on that note, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that share button and keep supporting the channel, because it does take the Michael editing videos and it's nice to see some support. So see you soon.